It's a 2015 Chrysler 300. This 300 is a full-size sedan as bold as your personality, with elegance, technology, and safety that goes above and beyond. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive think the new Chrysler 300 is the finest sedan that Chrysler Corporation has ever built. Chrysler, where bold ideas merge with brilliant innovation. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Garber Honda. We strive to be the best automotive sales and repair operation in every market we serve. Visit us today at 3925 West Henrietta Road in Rochester, New York.